Hey, what's going on, everyone? I just wanted to make a video and show you guys what I've been working on for the past month or so. So I've started a new website called tablified.com, and being a Android tablet owner, one of the most frustrating things in my opinion is the fact that there really is no dedicated tablet section for Android tablets. If you ever use an iPad or if you've been on iTunes, you'll know that there's a clear distinction between what an iPad app is and what an iPhone app is, and you can search the market for just iPad apps. I've always wanted a section like this, and I know that Google will eventually get around to doing this, but they haven't done so already yet. So I thought I would take the initiative and do my own version. And I know that people might point out that there is a featured app section or featured tablet app section on the market, but that's really not what a tablet app section should be. And I think most people will agree with me that that's not really a tablet section. And I know there are lists out there that are on forums like Zoom forums and Transformer forums, which are owned by the same people, so the lists are exactly the same. But there's really no organization there, and it seems like people are just throwing up any kind of app on there, regardless if it's really for tablets or not. And that's not the point of a tablet app. So to make it clear and short, I decided to to make a database of all the apps that I find, and just put them up in one place so it's easy for people to find, and that every app on here has been tested and is specifically designed for tablets. So you can see here that the scrolling bar here, that's really for the featured apps I think are cool or are being sponsored at the time. So let's go ahead and click on Platinum Tasks and show you what happens when you click on an app. You can scroll down and you can see that you get the full market description here, and you get screenshots on the left side, and you can just scroll through them real quickly, and you can see that this a particular app is designed for tablets. It has the fragments. It uses it doesn't have like that annoying menu button or like the zoom to fit or anything. So this is designed for tablets. And so when you are ready to purchase the app, or if you want to find more information about it, you can click on the little market link. You can display the price and click on the market link, and it'll take you directly to the marketplace. So I want to emphasize that we don't handle any transactions, we don't take your credit card, we don't do anything really. We just link you back right to the correct place to buy the app. And you come back to our site and explore some more apps and see if you find any more that you'd like. In the middle here we have the recently added apps. So any apps that we just added will appear on it right there in the middle. And of course you can scroll down to the bottom and you can click on the more button to see some more applications that have just been recently added. We're adding apps constantly. We've got a total of 666 apps, which is probably like a bad omen, but that's how much we have today. And we're adding 50 apps a day, or like every week. So we're it's currently just me and one other person working on the site right now. But we're trying to do it whenever we have time, since we're both students. Here you can see that we have the top rated apps and top rated games, and this section is really dependent on the users, and if they vote on the app, then you'll see that this does get updated. But if you guys don't vote, then that section doesn't update. So make sure you guys vote whenever you download an app and you like it. Just come back and quickly give it a 5, 4, 3 stars, and share your opinion with other people so that it does update, and other people can find it useful, because it doesn't make sense if it's just the same. Here at the bottom you'll see the editor's choice. These are just some of my favorite apps that I use personally on a day-to-day basis. And of course all the apps installed on my tablet can be found under the editor's installed apps. Scroll up a little bit, you get the recent comments, and then the most viewed apps. So these are the ones that are not necessarily the highest or lowest rated, but just simply means that these apps have the most page views. So another cool thing that we do on the website is we give away free apps. So we either be a game or an app. So we work with developers, and they're gracious enough to give us like 10 or 20 copies of their game, and we held a little contest. Just tweet a couple words here, and you're automatically entered to win the app. So you can see here that we've given away, technically yesterday we given away 10 copies of Sketch4 HD, which is actually a paid game, the full version of it. and everybody who won got redeemed the prize. And so we thank you guys for participating, and hopefully we'll bring you guys more apps and games in the future. If you click on the submit an app button, we can show you that if you find an app that you think is deserves to be on the website, then go ahead and submit an app to us. And we do have a criteria, because if we don't really, then there's nothing that separates our list from the list that you'll find on the forums. So we do ask that it does meet a couple specific things, especially for games. We're a little bit more critical on games because we just don't want to throw up anything on there. We just want to make everything clear cut. If you come to our website, you're going to get tablet only apps, and you don't have to worry about compatibility or any of that issue. So that's why we take a lot of time, and we spend a lot of time testing apps and downloading each one, and purchasing them if we have to, just to make sure that the app itself is for tablets. And you just fill out the this little form here. It doesn't really take that long, and then we'll review the app, and if it gets approved, we'll send you an email. If it doesn't get approved, we'll also send you an email and let you know, why it didn't get approved. So the next section I want to show you is the app voting. And this I actually created because sometimes I just don't know if the app is for tablets or not. Sometimes it's designed in a way that there's really no way to use the honeycomb or the tablet specific elements, the UI elements, but they have like HD graphics and it works really nicely on it. So this is why I turn to you guys, or users, and you guys let us know if you think the app should be on our website or not. So you can click here and you can go to the market page, and you can see that you can read the full description on the app and look at the screenshots, and if you agree that, hey, this is really good, it should be for it's for tablets, obviously you should put it on there. So you can just vote yes or no. You can see that 80% of people say that Name for Droid should be on the website, and for Frodo 64, 80% of people say no, it shouldn't be on the website. So we listen to you guys and what you guys tell us, and if you guys agree that it should be on there, we'll put it on there. You can see some of the old polls that we had, and we add them or don't add them accordingly. Of course, there's a frequently asked section and a forums. You can go in there and discuss if you're looking for specific applications. If you need help with an application, you can go there and you can discuss. And of course, if you want to know a little bit about me and what I do, like I'm a student, and what do I do besides Tablified, you can check that out there. But it's not really any important information. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's tablified.com. You can help support us by either submitting an app, telling people about the website, and of course, if you have some money to spend, you can give us a donation, and all the money goes back into the website for hosting, since we just switched to a dedicated server. So that definitely is quite an expense. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking out the video, and I hope that you guys find tablified.com to be very useful. Take care. Bye.